Good morning, friends. Tomorrow we have Bar Council elections for state of Telangana. So I just wanted to give a brief idea about the entire Bar Council elections and other relevant issues because many of the junior advocates and who are into the legal profession may not be totally aware about the importance of the Bar Council elections. They are considering it is at another elections. See, the Bar Council is established under the Advocates Act 1961. The very purpose of the Bar Council, which is the Bar Council of India as well as the Bar Council of various states. This is a governing body who frames the rules and regulations how a court should conduct, how a judge should conduct, how an advocate should conduct. So these are some of the important rules and regulations, and the members of the state bar councils will be taken into the Bar Council of India. So that is the reason the power of each member is very much prominent. So unless we have a person with ethics, honest, transparency, the entire Bar Council system will collapse. Rather, I think it has been collapsed to some extent, if not to everything. There are some important issues are there. The interest of the junior advocates is not taken care, and the interest of the importance of the legal profession is not much taken care. Things are going as a routine. In fact, to become an advocate, one has to qualify in the All India Bar Council examination. This All India Bar Council examination is also not seriously taken or not seriously conducted, and it is also kind of a ritual. So these are some of the things that should be taken care and it should be improved upon. In another issues with the Bar Council also disciplinary actions as well as how the rules and regulations are implemented in the state and the Bar Council of India across the country. So there are not many transparent issues are there even in the judiciary generally in the each court, be it is a district or be it is a state bar council or state high courts. See, the transparency is lacking. And actually the very purpose of the establishing the bar council is to gain the trust of the public. So public should ensure that the bar council works for them, not works for the judges or not works for the advocates. So ultimately, if there are no litigation, there is no need for if there is no crime, there is no need for a police station. So if there are no litigations, no issues, there is no need for any court. See, but that is totally, actually it's a utopian and it is not possible to not to have any litigations. So in this process, the time that is taking care, how much time is taken for each decision, all those things are paramount importance. So Bar Council members should influence upon the rules and regulations, and one of the important thing is the educational qualifications. Are there any variations, are there any deviations from the established practices? If the practices are they really good, are they meeting the real requirement of the Bar Council objectives? These are some of the things one should understand. And not only that, the Bar Council election should not be politicized. It should not, all the members of the Bar Council who are ultimately going to be the legislators will be lawmakers. Similarly, Bar Council members also kind of lawmakers in maintaining the rules and regulations, modifying if it is required. So that is the level. So the level of elections is also being equated to the your local MLA or MP elections or even Zilla Parishad and other municipal elections. That should not be the criteria. The amount of the money spending on the Bar Council in elections also individually, independent the candidates contesting for these elections also should be regulated and you have to be monitored. In fact, there is no need for any spending the money. One advocate who stands for the justice, who stands for the other co-advocates, who stands for the interest of the judiciary, interest of the advocates and interest of the public, they should be recognized by their activities. Then you will choose. Otherwise, by influencing, by knowing, by caste, by creed, by religion, This is very, very bad. So the Bar Council importance everybody should understand. Ultimately, Bar Council is a ruling and regulatory body in the important and inseparable judiciary system. So let us think and let us discuss about these issues, and let the Bar Council be the torch bearer, not the torch monger. Thank you very much.